Hey guys, it's me Madison, and today I'm back with a new video. You guys might be thinking, what am I doing with this doll? And why is she in a swimsuit? And this is my new video. I'm gonna make some clothing for my doll. She was like super old and I was like giving her a new look. So I did her hairstyle. She's my favorite doll. Her name is Skipper, and I'm gonna make some clothing for her. So let's get out to the video. Must watch it. You can make this at home with simple things, old things in the house you can get around, and you can make it and give your doll a brand new look with some branded clothes. It's gonna be like branded clothes. Amazing. Let's get on to the video. And if you guys are new in my channel, Madison's World, so please subscribe my channel and then hit the notification button so you can get my new uploads in Madison's World, so you can know what I'm posting every day. So we're gonna make a dress for my Barbie doll because she's so lonely and she's in her swimsuit. So all you need is old sock that you don't wear anymore or no one wears anymore. Old sock, not a smelly sock. Okay, I hate smelly socks. You need scissors, the ultimate scissors, and a pen. And of course your doll. Cut this. It might be a little boring, but you need your doll's like dress to be perfect. You don't want it to be wavy, do you? I'm cutting it straightly, but if you guys want, you can make it wavy or whatever you guys want. It's not that you might need to make it straight. There you go. It's kind of crooked, but it's fashion. Or will we do? It's fashion. So we got this end right over here, so it folds. So what you need to do is cut a little teensy bit hole in this. So you need a parent's help for this as well. You might cut your finger. Cut a hole. There you go, and make it bigger. There you go. Cut another hole at the other side of this. This might be looking like a sweater, but this will be a nice, cute dress. No, wait, it's kind of tricky. Get that in. There you go. Now make it bigger. So I'm gonna make some accessories for my doll because she looks so nice and she can't live without accessories. So what I'm gonna make is choker, earrings, and a bracelet. So all you need is a glitter sheet of any choice you want. It needs to be sticky, like stickery ones. You need a pen and some scissors. Accessories right up close. The up close, it's the smallest accessories. They're so cool. Let's put it on our doll. So this is my final looking doll. Look at her. She's so beautiful. The most magnificent doll ever. She has all of these on. She has some Gucci clothes on. So this is what she's wearing. Let's start with her dress that I made. So beautiful. Can't say it's not beautiful. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's so pretty. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, and smash that notification button. Or smash that like button. So like for my doll, 2 likes for my doll. And let's get this video up to 50,000 likes, or yeah, let's get it to 60,000 likes. Please, please, please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Bye. Bye-bye.